Hello guys, today I'll show you how to invest in the S&P 500. You can't invest directly in the S&P 500 index, but you can invest in funds or stocks that track its performance, and here's how. Firstly, the option 1 is to invest in an S&P 500 index fund. Open a brokerage account in Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. Search for S&P 500 index funds like VOO, FX, AIX, SWPPX. Then choose the amount to invest and buy shares. An ETF works like an index fund but trades like a stock. You need to sign up for a popular S&P 500 ETF like SPY, VOO, or IVV. And thirdly, you can also buy individual stocks in the S&P 500. Research top-performing S&P companies, open a brokerage account, and buy individual shares of your chosen companies. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.